how to use Sleeper app Fantasy Football. So Sleeper over here can be used if you just directly download and sign up in the app. So you can go to your preferred browser and just search for Sleeper or Sleeper Fantasy Football. You can get the app option, and once you do so, you can log in from there. If you don't have an account, you can just sign in. Create an account over here. So just press on create an account, put in your email, your birth date, and then your password. Then once you do that, you're gonna have to go to your Gmail account and then verify using the code that will be given to you. So once you've done that, that's pretty much how you create an account in Sleeper Football Fantasy. Once you have created an account, it's pretty much that simple. Just verify yourself. You can just join or create leagues. Once that's done, you can set up your team. You can also draft players and then manage your lineup weekly. You can also add and drop trade players and stay updated. Since Sleeper sends real-time alerts for injuries, trades, and scoring plays, you can join your league's chat to talk smack or discuss trades if you want to do that. You can use the news tab as well for expert analysis and projections. But that's pretty much how you make an account in the Sleeper, or how to use Sleeper Football Fantasy. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.